What's the meaning of copper beech? Copper beech. Copper beech.
Copper beech. Copper beech. Copper beech refers to a type of tree, scientifically known as Fagus sylvatica purpurea. It is a deciduous tree that grows up to 25 m in height, with a broad canopy and deep purple leaves that turn coppery in autumn. The tree is popular as an ornamental planting in gardens and parks, valued for its striking color and attractive shape. Copper beech has also been traditionally used in woodland management, with its strong timber being used for furniture, flooring, and musical instruments.